Yeah. Welcome back again to Ruleboy Crypto. Welcome back again to Ruleboy Crypto. And you know what we do here? We're here to give you the latest, the best, and the best of the best in the crypto space. And you are here. You're going to learn so much in the crypto space. And yeah, so welcome. So what I want you to do is just please kindly smash the like button for me. Smash the like button. Share this video. Share this content. Invite your friends and turn on the notification button so that you can always know whenever I'm coming live. And you know why? So that you will not miss out on anything I'll be sharing. So today is all about hope and the best, the very best. So you know what? Sit on tight while I come back and we. Okay, so lately a lot has been happening in the market, a lot, and the market has been stagnant. Seems like it's going sideways. So there is really nothing to be panicked. There is nothing to be scared about in the market. If you were here in the money, I already gave some people hope. I told everyone what to do and what to expect, and I know that a lot of people are already working with that idea, you know. So that's that. A lot are working with that idea because that idea is definitely going to help you. It's definitely going to help you. So boost our faith. We're going to boost our faith with news. We're going to boost our hope with news. We're going to know what the market is doing. I want us to know what's happening in the market because everyone at this particular time needs hope. Everyone at this particular time needs faith. So that's what I want to give to everyone out there. So hope and faith is the major thing. So right, and also have a project I'll be sharing with everyone today. So just get your funds ready. Get your funds ready to participate in this other project I'm about to share. So that being said, I want to show everyone how the market looks like. Let's see how the market looks like. Okay, this is how the market looks like currently. Let's see how the market looks like now. So Hex, wow, from 27, get up for Hex. Everyone, shout out for Hex. Hex is out for the Hex community out there. And the near is also doing so interesting, is doing so well. So that's why you don't need to miss out on anything. You don't need to. This was a sacrifice for pulse swap. So everyone doesn't want to miss the sacrifice for pulse swap. That's why Hex was trending, and this is just the beginning for Hex. Mind you, this is just the beginning for Hex. Hex is just starting, and there's a whole lot coming in for Hex. So just watch out for Hex. Hex from 0.17 cents is now 0.2 cents. So Hex is doing very well. And Near already is had some news that is up. So that's the reason for Near being at that top. And also, so the two more major coins I want everyone to watch out for right now is the Mana. Watch out for Mana. Watch out for number one. Watch out for Mana. Number two, watch out for VET. Number three, watch out for where is that guy? Where is Gala? Gala should be very down. Where is Gala? I just want us to see where Gala is. Watch out for Sand. Yes, thank you. So watch out for Sand. Be taking notes, please. Take notes to all this project I'm calling. Take notes. Watch out for Gala. Then watch out for where is Gala? Gala is not in the top 100. Is that what you're trying to tell me? It's not in top 100. Hold up, let me just browse it. I can't see it. If you can see it, please can you just notify me? Let me just browse it. Where is Gala? Okay, let me look it up. Okay, Gala. Wow, Gala is also for Gala. That's nice for Gala out there. Gala is looking good. So that being said, let's jump right back into the news for today. The news, let's just take a little of the news out there and read and know what's happening for ourselves, for our hope to be built. Because right now, everyone out there needs hope. And do you know the beautiful thing? The market is going sideways. Let's look at the chart first before we go into the news. Let's look at the charts. The chart of the boat, guys. This is on daily charts. This is daily chart for dominance daily chart is looking bullish, and the dominance daily chart for BTC is looking bearish. It's looking bearish, which is really group. We have expert on chart reading, but let's look at the Cointelegraph to see what their expert are saying. So Bitcoin struggles to break the 47K ranges. Few moments. Sorry for that. We just had a power off, so good. So Bitcoin struggles to break the 47K ranges as Fed meetings looms. So cryptocurrency investors may be moving to take risks off the table, with the Federal Reserve expected to accelerate withdrawals of its unprecedented monetary stimulus in the face of fast rising inflation. So if you have any news out there that you want us to look into, please feel free, drop the news, and I will take a look into the news. If you have anything that you think that is the reason why the market is stagnant or dropping, just go ahead and drop it and I will look into it. Okay, so let's just look into this article. It's one of the major articles I really want us to look into. It should be on Cointelegraph, yes. So let's go to Cointelegraph first of all and look at the 47K charts. Analyst says that Bitcoin's behavior at 47.5K mirrors the pre-breakout, but analysts say the current market structure at 47.5 mirrors the early bull market which we had in 2017. So let's look at a few of the charts. He says that the crypto market tanks again after Bitcoin price slipped to 47K on December 9th, but most analysts agree that the price is destined to remain in the 40K to 55K ranges. Exactly what I say that. For me, I said that we're going to come down to the 40K ranges. I told you that today before this news came up. I told you that this is definitely going to drop on, it means that we're definitely going to drop. Let me open just one, go to BTC, right? So if we don't hold on the 40K ranges, on these 40K ranges, that's this range here and right here, if we don't hold here, it means that we are definitely going to drop all the way down because the support here is no longer strong. There's no any strong support here. It means that we are definitely going to drop to these ranges right here, which is the 29 to 30K ranges. That's the 30K ranges. So we are definitely going to drop to that ranges if we don't hold on that ranges. So that's exactly what this person is saying. Let me view the chart up and see. So this chart up here is also showing us that the same is showing that this 47K ranges still has room for drop. This chart is viewed on 4 hours. Okay, this 4 hours candle, which is so beautiful. 4 hours candle. I'm still seeing us coming down to that 42, 43 to 44K ranges with this chart that is right here with this analysis. Okay, so a tweeter said low bid pressure returns to neutral funding. This is starting to feel reminiscent of the price action so we saw earlier this year as price blend to sub 30K charts. Looking at that chart, I'm still seeing us. That's not a doubt for me. Let me just zoom out with that with a 4 hours candle. Let's zoom out with 4 hours candle and see how it looks on 4 hours candle, right? So this is 4 hours right now. This is Bitcoin 4 hours. So looking at this on 4 hours, is no doubt that we are definitely going to come into that 30K ranges, into these ranges. Mountain, right? For me, having this top here, we already have, let me just show you this. Look at this first top, look at this second top, look at this third top here. So, and here we are having we just have our first lows, second lows here, which another lows is still gonna make. We are still gonna form another lows, which is going to be right here before we can now start dropping down here, which definitely I'm seeing Bitcoin drop into that. That being said, let's go back to that chart. So this topic says the bulls aim to hold the 47k support. You don't know, but someone is believing that the bulls is gonna hold on the 47ks. On 47ks is gonna hold. There's no way this bull is gonna hold on the 7. Come on, bro. Holding on 47. Let me view the month. Let me just view a month back. Let's just zoom out more and see how it looks like on a monthly candle, because I would really like everyone to know what they're doing. Let me stay on dominance on this side. Dominance is definitely bullish on me. Dominance is bullish. And remember what I said last time about the dominance and the Bitcoin. When the dominance is going up, the Bitcoin and the altcoins are falling, and that's exactly what's happening right now. So the dominance goes up while the Bitcoins and the altcoins falls, right? So that's exactly what we are experiencing in this market, and it doesn't seem like the dominance is going down at any moment. The dominance seems like it's going to keep going up in this phase in times, right? So the dominance, this is the dominance. The dominance still has the dominance already has double bottoms here. It already has double bottoms here, so which is a sign for a bullish movement for the dominance right here. Okay, so this is still loading. Please a moment while this loads. Let's just while this comes on. Wow, what's happening? What's happening with Hex? What's happening with Hex? From 47k, from 47%, we are up 51%. What's happening, Hex community? What's happening? What's happening, Hex community? Hex is doing very well. Recently we are on 57, 47, now 50. Let's look at Hex chart. Let's look at Hex chart. I wish this internet can just be stable. Let me open Hex chart. I'd love to see Hex charts and see what's happening with Hex. Viewing the Hex chart, we need to view the Hex chart and see what's happening on the Hex. I'm a Hex fan. I'm an Hexican. So shout out to the Hexican fans that are out there. We are up 57%. We are up 57%, which is so awesome for all the Hexicans out there. Everybody has been loading up on Hex. We've been loading up on Hex, which is so nice. Okay, so the Hex chart is about load. So while that is loading, let's still look at the monthly candle of BTC. So the monthly candle of BTC for me still looks overbought. Looks overbought. The monthly chart for BTC looks overbought. So let me just disable all this so that we can look at it. So see this. In your mind, what do you think we have here right now? What do you think is going to happen to this at this stage? This is on monthly candle. This is our Bitcoin on monthly candle. So to you, what do you think is going to happen? Because this really looks overbought. So this ranges, which is the 19k ranges, and if we break the support here, if we break the support right here, you know that everyone is gone. When this is broken, no, let me not call it the bear. So, okay, the hex. Okay, hex. Okay, and I think I still have my chart for last month. My last chart, I said that hex was going to come down to this range, but we just came slightly a little bit underneath it before now we made our ways up. So hex is still undervalued at this rate. Hex is still undervalued at this rate. So if you want to ladder in, please ladder in on hex. Is undervalued. Hex is undervalued. Hex is undervalued. So we are definitely going to see a whole lot of gain for hex, because hex is destined to outperform Ethereum and Bitcoin. So don't joke with hex. Hex is definitely going to do well. So that's that for hex. So coming back to BTC and back to our news for today. So watch out, 51%. Let's go and come back and see what's going to happen. So like I said, some people are still waiting for Bitcoin to come down to the 30k ranges, which is what this person had right down here. This is 30k ranges, right? This is 30k. So Bitcoin, and this is a monthly candle, which I also viewed. This okay, weekly candle, that is on weekly candle. So Bitcoin might give that long red down to that 30k ranges, which is the second prediction from my side. So the second prediction from my side is the 30k ranges, and the third prediction on my side is the 19k ranges to 13k ranges for Bitcoin. Okay, so BTC is threatening to lose this red support, but not confirmed breakout yet. Below red is the orange area. So below red is the red area, right? Strong support, which ended to, that's the minus 25% correction in February and September. So generally, the red needs to hold to avoid a drop to orange, which is this one, because if this red didn't hold, we are definitely going to drop to this orange, which is right here. And definitely for me, I'm seeing that we are not going to hold on. Let's look at another chart, because we are just going to look into different chart and see what's happening. This chart is on, okay, this chart right here is showing that the support is weak at this range. The support is weak. Is definitely going to break this to come down to that 40k ranges. So if we don't make it here, we are definitely going to break it here. If we don't make it at this range, we are definitely going to break it, but this range is not that too strong. So a breakout for this range is imminent. So another tweeter said that, still watching this BTC weekly pennant action, the most bullish move often comes from testing invalidation points. So nobody said it was easy. So what we are doing today, nothing really much. Then at the end of this video, I'm going to give a call for an ICO project for everyone out there. So get your funds ready so that you can be part of the ICO project that is going to come up. So there's no really much thing. Everyone are still hoping on the 40k and the 30k ranges. That's what everyone are waiting for. So no one is really giving that sign of Bitcoin going up. No one is giving the sign of Bitcoin going up. Everyone is waiting for Bitcoin to just drop to the 40k. Is either it holds on the 47k ranges or it drops to 40k ranges. Then another one says that Bitcoin might drop to the 30k ranges. So let's look to another news right here. So this is another 3 major news I want everyone to look into. So Solana, because Solana is definitely going to skyrocket. What you see Solana doing right here, where is Solana? Solana was just down here. So minus 20%. So this is a good time to ladder into Solana, because right now Solana is down, and a whole lot of news is coming up on Solana. So also Luna, which is Terra stablecoins market cap, could soon flip die as adoption continues. So the stablecoin for the Terra ecosystem is a hairbreadth away from flipping makers, the DAOs, to become the 4th biggest stablecoin by market capitalization, according to data from CoinGecko. So also watch out for Terra stablecoin because it's definitely going to come up. So the next one is the why Silicon Valley creator Mike Jert is entering the absorb NFT market. So also I told you recently that you should watch out for the metaverse, watch out for the NFT, and also watch out for the smart contract projects. They are definitely going to make moves. So here we are telling the Silicon Valley creator Mike Jert entering the NFT market. Also the last one for today is the first Bitcoin metaverse game is also seeing a head up. It's also seeing a head up, which is a nice one for that. So watch out for the Terra project, watch out for Solana, and watch out for NFT project right there. Okay. Let's see if there's something we need to look into before I give back my call for today. A call for today. Okay, this is 57 minutes ago. Main table ape to support maintain NFTs on the layer 2. No. Coinbase wallet rolls out for NFT on that. Okay, that's that on this one. So let's go to another one. Let's go to Bybit. So kindly use the Bybit link on the call right now because there is an ICO I want everyone to go into. So use the Bybit link under the video description. Sign up and get a percentage from your deposit. So, and already we had a whole massive move for the last call I made. That's the real token. A whole massive. We made close to 100 X's on that. So another coin is coming out again. So which you need to be part of. So get your funds ready and use the link under the description below to be part of it. So let's go into that. So AGI, the multi-chain liquidity as a service provider, is the next launchpad project on Bybit. So you watch out for this project. It's definitely going to make a whole massive movement. It's going to be massive. So so this is a project you should be watching out. Izumi.finance. So Izumi.finance is the next project that will be launching on Bybit. So use the link if you are not on Bybit yet. Use the link below and register on Bybit. Then be part of this. Do your KYC and you need to hold Bybit in your account. Let's see the rules. Let me just go down to the rules and so you must complete KYC, blah blah blah, the daily, and